Hey, it's John here, and we are moving on to problem number 26 of 4Clojure, which is about the Fibonacci sequence. We did the same problem for Project Euler, so let's just do the good solution here, which was to create a lazy sequence. I'm going to go ahead and start this over here in the ID, and basically an IntelliJ, the cursive plugin. You can do it over here in this window because I'm probably going to make some mistakes and test things out, things like that. So the 4Clojure website isn't a great way to edit things, so sometimes it's nice to have a scratch pad with par edit, or the things you want to have, like a REPL built in, and ways to test. Alright, so let's get started here. We're going to make a function that we'll call fib. We're going to have a few arities here. We're going to have the first arity we want is for if there is nothing, no arguments, then we want to call fib with 1 and 1. So that's going to sort of seed our Fibonacci sequence. The next arity will be 1, and what we're going to do is we will just take in of Fibonacci with no arguments. That way, whenever the 4Clojure problem gets called, when we put it in there and the argument 3, 6, or 8 goes in, it'll go to this arity and then take so many of our lazy sequence. Okay, so the final arity here, we're going to say, we'll call it in0 and in1. Okay, so we have essentially the current in and then the next in. So when we build this lazy sequence, we're sort of thinking about looking into the future. And so what we're going to do is we are going to cons our in0, our current value, onto a lazy sequence, which is made up of calling the Fibonacci sequence with the next value in 1, and then the value after that in 2, right? And the way we're going to make in 2 is by adding up in 0 and in 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and evaluate that. For our sake, we can define that as let's call it Fibo here. Okay, so now we have Fibo, which is that function, so we can do Fibo 3. And we see 1, 1, 2, Fibo 6 is all the way through 8, and Fibo 8. Okay, so looks like we've got it right. Now we can just copy and paste our function here into our answer space, and we'll hit run, and we got that one right. So thank you for watching.